Hello, my dear friends. A few days ago, I was going through the kitchen at the office where I work, and I came across something that I've never seen before. And this was when I inquired, it was the lentils. Lentils, and our lady was cooking them, and they were yellow lentils, and they are really very delicious and rich in protein, and they also folic acid. Yeah, good stuff. And I was really was curious to find out what she's doing, and she told me you need to boil them for few 20 to 30 minutes, and then they become soft. Then you mash them, and as you can see there, she's mashing them. And the other thing that also gave me surprised me was the stick she was using. It's actually a stick, long stick. Then they took another small wood that was fixed on it, and now she'll be doing the friction, and that friction is the one that is going to mash those lentils. And after finishing, it's very delicious. I really taste them, and they were very, very delicious, rich in protein, and really good thing, good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll also try this technique. Just a simple technique, and low cost but efficient. Thank you.